Okay, in this video, I want to show you how to delete records. So deleting records is pretty straightforward. So we just create another MySQL little statement here. And it's pretty straightforward. We want to delete and then from, and then name your table, users, and then we just give this a condition, just like any other where clause. So we could say where name equals or something like that, but let's go user ID equals 6. Is that Johnny? Oh, poor Johnny. He wasn't here very long. User ID equals 6, right? So just like before, we need to do our my cursor dot execute and then pass in this my SQL thing we just created. And we're making a change to our table, a permanent change. So we need to commit the change, just like we have in the past. So it's my db.commit and then that. So let's go ahead and save this and run it. It won't return anything because we didn't tell it to, but if we pull up our workbench and refresh, poor Johnny has disappeared, gone forever. Now here's something interesting. We can add a new, remember Johnny's user ID was 6, right? So we can put Tracy, no@no.com. Tracy is 19, and if we apply this, we can see her user ID is now 7, even though it goes from 4, 5, boom, 7. Now we can manually change this back if we want, but since it's auto incrementing, it knows the next one is 7, even though the 6 is no longer with us. Just kind of a quirky thing. I just thought I'd sort of let you know about that so you don't freak out if you ever see that. No big deal. So let's look at this one more time here. Now, again, we could do things like, where name equals John or whatever. But I think we already learned that that's not a good idea because there may be lots of different records with the name of John. And if you run this command, it'll delete all of them. And that might not necessarily be what you want to do. So you always want to sort of delete a unique field, right? The user ID, the primary key, whenever you're deleting things, because that's just just the smart thing to do. So that's all for this video. Deleting entries, pretty simple. In the next video, I'll show you how to delete an entire table. That's fun stuff. So that'll be the next video.